but nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the money. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the.
What's poppin'? It's your girl, TheStylist on IG, aka Katika. Today we doing a quick weave closure bob frontal illusion. I'm new to this YouTube, so bear with me as my videos get better. So in the meantime, subscribe to my channel and watch me turn my clients into a gem with just one spin. But don't forget, on a bad hair day, there's always what? Wet weave.
Touch me, I'll shoot, bow, shake a little ass. You get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash. You shake it real fast, you get a little more. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I gotta fly, I need a jet, shit. I need room for my legs. I got a baby, I need some money, yeah. I need teeth for my egg. All y'all bitches in trouble. Bring brass knuckles to scuffle. I heard that Cardi went pop, yeah. I did go pop, pop. That's me bustin' that bubble. I'm the Sonny with the drip, baby mommy with the clip. Walk out bodies with a bitch, bring a thotty to the whip. Is she fine or she thick? Damn, walking past the mirror. Ooh, damn, I'm fine, fine.
Wait though, we gotta lay them baby hairs. You have to lay them baby hairs. You have to bring that hair out first, mold it to stay that way, and then, cut them, and then lay your baby hairs. Don't just pull it out and lay it. You have to mold it. You have to set everything that you do if you want it to stay and go in the direction that you want it to go in. Period. It's no getting around that.
Little bitch, try me, hammer time. I was born to flex, yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex, but nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the money. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop. Touch me, I'll shoot, bow, shake a little ass. You get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash. You shake it real fast.
And wait, you have to put that wrap strip on. You have to. So the way I do mine, because you cannot leave it on it the whole time you do your quick weave. So I add some tracks in the back first, and then I put it on so that I can keep it on the whole entire time I'm doing her weave, so that when I take it off, them baby hairs are laid and they're not going anywhere. I do not use Got to Be Glue. I use a mousse, a wrapping foam lotion that I'm actually coming out with in February. So stay tuned for that. But just look at that baby hairs. You cannot get that you cannot rush. This is quality work. You have to take your time or it won't come out right. Period. Free JT. Bands in the coop. Bustin' up the roof.
Fast, you get a little more. I got bands in the coop. Bustin' up the roof. I got bands in the coop. Touch me, I'll shoot. Bitch, oh, papa, you pop. Bitch, oh, papa, whoever. You know who pop the most shit? The people who shit not together. You know that cardio freak. All my pajamas is leather. Bitch, I will back on your ass. Wakanda forever. Sweet like a honey bun, spit like a Tommy gun. Rolling one-on-one. Come get your mommy some cardi. Get the tip top, bitch. Kiss the ring and kick rock, sis. Jump it down, back it up. Ooh, ayy. Make that nigga with a 2K. I like my niggas dark like say. He gonna eat this ass like soup. I was born to flex. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex, but nothing in this world that I like more than culture. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is a KC. Money. Money. Money.
Hashtag what? What weave?